Coughing is contagious. Apply.
Oh. What?
Ah! Did I scare you when I did that?
You scared me.
Okay, welcome to Dana and Mary Charlotte's talk show.
Wait, we have to have a talk show?
Yeah, I'm switching my name to Mary now, so call me.
No.
Yes.
No, Mary Charlotte. No.
Now we're inviting the special guest. Her name is Lily Lady, and she's a ladybug.
What is wrong with you?
Hey, ladybug! Hold on, I'll hold you in my hands. Hey! What happened?
You can only use one at a time.
I want to use them both. We're going on that trip. Oh, look, it moves.
Oh.
Ha!
Wait. Oh, this is getting me all backwards.
Oh, look, Dana, it's our favorite thing in the world. Ready? So, you guys, we're going to start a show where you write to us with your problems, and we'll answer it like advice, okay? I'm at the beach. Make ocean noises. Make ocean noises. Mirror, mirror on the wall, who's the most prettiest of them all?
Me!
Mary is. Especially when she makes... Ew, did you just lick me? Hey. It's the most... does that look like pot leaf?
Yeah, it does. I think there's supposed to be maple leaves, like on the Canadian flag.
It's the most wonderful time of the year.
What are you doing?
Holding the heart in my hand.
It doesn't
I'm a
work.
surgeon.
Oh,
I'm
do
a
you remember?
surgeon.
Do you remember? Bum 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 bum.
I'm holding it in my hands.
You know, videos are only allowed to be like 10 minutes long.
Yeah.
I learned that when I was making that Mr. Life is 50 Things video. So we got like 20 things through, and it ended.
Let's make our own 50 things.
Okay.
Okay, bye.
Bye.
Watch our other video.